The sudden surge in Omicron cases in India has severely impacted the Indian aviation sector. The traffic data released by the aviation regulator DGCA clearly indicates that the Indian aviation sector was impacted by the worst COVID situation in the country. The passengers carried by domestic airlines during January 2022 this year, it was 64.08 lakhs, whereas 77.43 lakhs passenger was carried in the same period for last year. In the sense, January 2021, the passenger carried by domestic airlines was more than 77 lakh, but for this year it was around 64 lakh. So this was a decline of minus 17%. Not only there was a decline in the number of passengers, but the passenger load factors for various airlines that also was severely impacted. It shows a declining trend, but amongst all the airlines, the SpiceJet recorded a highest passenger load factor, and that was to the tune of 73.4%. But when it comes to market share, Indigo Airline continues to dominate the market share. For this January 2022, the market share of Indigo Airline was 55.5%. The good part is that the number of complaints raised by the passenger against any airline that reduced, and we have also seen that many airlines, they proactively took the complaints raised by the passenger and tried to resolve it as early as possible. But here on, all the airlines believe that as the situation is improving, the COVID cases are declining, the number of passengers will definitely go upwards, and they will see a healthy growth in the aviation sector in coming months.